very good morning to you all. But this is not the good morning to someone who, like Lily, whose company is facing so many problems which are still unknown the reasons behind the problems. So who is Lily? Lily is the main characteristic of the case competition who mainly runs a family business and uh, family business, and his organization is mainly related to the manufacturing of the finished goods. So uh, now, if we look closer to its financial statement, we can see that the operating income of Millie's organization is quite well. But in his regular day-to-day activities, she faces so many problems which she can't identify what are the reason behind it. Moreover, his family members has to frequently invest more and more money, which is additional investment to her organization, which creates a mental pressure on her and create a question mark on her actual performance, which are operating performance of her organization. So, analyzing the case, we have identified some symptoms and which are related to problems. So, what are things? Excess inventory holding. Like her vendors are giving her a longer lead time, uh, which force him to carry a excess inventory and insufficient transportation. We can see in the case that she can't manage time. She is not sure that she will be able to transfer and deliver the product within the time, and she can and higher cash outflow is also a main problem, which mainly causes all these problems. Like she has a longer collection period. Like his pay, his account receivables, who are account receivable, they are paying her with a longer time, and his she is paying her accounts payable in the first time. So what happens there? She's suffering from some crash crisis, uh, and according to the problems, we have some recommendation to solve it. Like if she used just in time, so there will be no inventory at the end of the day, and she will be able to supply her customer within time. And if she implements some terms and conditions on his business transaction, she will be able to avoid the problem of longer lead time and payment collection period and payment period. And she must have to use the better transportation to increase her responsiveness. If what we have seen in the case is she is not able to timely deliver her customer, which is harmful for her organization, and that's why we can't make cash also. And shorter cash conversion cycle, which can be solved by the just in time, and he has to increase the return of investment to increasing returns by sale. And which will be continued by all numbers.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mehdi Hassanori. So today I'm going to talk about the basic current scenario of the company. So then we can see that the inventory turnover ratio is very lower. The days of inventory holdings is very higher than average days. Then debt turnover ratio is 1.8 times. It is very low because she get the cash from the debt as account receivable was from the very late. Then average collection period is almost 200 days, and the total asset revenue is 1.6 times. Then the profitability ratios is that we need profit margin is 0.9%. We have calculated this. Then operating expenses 95% is very higher than the average expense ratio. That is very harmful for their organization. Then return on equity is 11.64, so that is quite average. Then liquidity ratios are current ratio is 2.26%, quick ratio is 1.79, net working capital is 0.94. It's totally the net working capital ratio is lower than the 1:1. That is not average. Average. Then leverage ratio is debt ratio is 0.78%. Then debt equity ratio is 3.64%. Then the evaluation of how we actually evaluate the financial performance of the organization and recommendation of the for the organization. First of all, there in the current inventory ratio is very lower because of the turnover, lower turnover. Their cash is not available in hand, and then the days of inventory holdings is 83 days. They hold their inventory 83 days, but it's quite higher than the average. The debtor is 1.8 times, as I told that. Then average collection fee is very high. They cannot get their money from their debtors. Then the operating expense ratio is 9.5%. Is very high. It can reduce by the sales if the sales more for the organization, they will reduce the operating expense. Then return on investment. So return on investment is 1.53%. Is low. Actually, it can higher. It can be higher. It can be higher for to try the right process for them for the organization. The current ratio is 2.6%. It is quite good as we told as we can say that it depends on 1:1 ratio. It's the current scenario of the organization and how we actually evaluate this organization. So thank you. The next presenter will be presenter.
Hello everyone. So we see that the current condition of the organization is not good, quite good. As a financial analysis or according to the Mr. Orange analysis, we can see the current inventory turnover ratio, days of inventory holding. These are too high, and these are the main problem of them, because their main problem is they don't have the enough cash in pocket. They have a lot of cash in papers, but they don't have the cash in their pocket. And the main reason behind this is they are holding a lot of inventory, and we can see that their others ratio like average collection period, these are too high. So these are the main problem, and they have to focus on the problems of this ratio. So if we recommend them to reduce this kind of ratios, then we have to follow some modern system like JIT, or they can better good performance by increasing their sales. So when you see that you have a lot of inventory and your current your account receivable are not paying correct time and the lead time is very high, then you can change your policy. Like if you told them who are the account receivable of Lily, that if you return the money very quick, like 10 days, then you will get 3% commission. Or you may hire this kind of percentage in when you excess the time or the lead time is high. Like when they break the lead time, then you can find that this is the problem. So you can find them like they have to pay 3% more. So that's how they can collect their money very fast. So when we are expecting that Mrs. Lily will implement this, we consider this kind of ratio problems, then we are expecting after that her some very specific ratio will decrease, like current ratio after we are expecting that current ratio will under 1, that means the inventory is less, and average days of inventory holdings will reduce, and the 45 days will be the average inventory holding days, and the debtor turnover is 5 times, and the other inventory turnover almost 9 times, because when the inventory turnover is less, that means your warehouse or inventory is not going out and going in. So in the previous analysis we see this is very low, and after that we are expecting they will increase it to 9 times, and that will very helpful for their organization. And the last of all, how we will evaluate this kind of success. And in this project we know that the quick ratio will be less than 1. That's indicate the inventory reduction, and more cash on hand because debtor turnover will increase, and sales will increase because inventory turnover will increase. And net profit ratio indicating the net profit of the net profit will increase, and after that their cash will be very frequently on their hand, and that's how you will generate more cash. And their main problem there, she can't provide their contributor cash like her grandma or fathers. So the cash problem will be solved. So according to this analysis, and we are evaluating this, that this evaluation, this project will be very successful, and Mrs. Lady will do a good business, and their ratio will be reduced. So those we see that the ratio are too much high in sometimes. So that's how we are expecting the project will be successful. Thank you everyone.